A glass forest, silent beneath a velvet sky dusted with stars. Each tree, delicate and clear, stretches upward, its crystalline branches catching the moon's gentle glow. Soft light scatters, painting the ground in silver patterns, while a hush lingers in the cool air. The world slows as you absorb the tranquil beauty, feeling warmth and safety woven through the silence. Every breath draws in peace. Every exhale releases tension. Here, nothing disturbs the stillness. Let the shimmering calm cradle you. Subscribe for more relaxing videos.